Many people think a disposer works like a blender, with spinning blades chopping and breaking down the waste. In reality, disposers work in a different way, and there are no blades involved. Instead, impellers or lugs mounted on a spinning plate use centrifugal force to continuously force food waste particles against a stationary grind ring. The grind ring breaks down the food waste into very fine particles, virtually liquefying them. After they're ground, the running water flushes the particles through the grind ring and out of the disposer and into your wastewater pipe. From there, it flows to a wastewater treatment plant or your septic system.
Water tank. The water goes through the four-stage system: a pre-filter to remove sediment, a carbon filter to remove chlorine, then a reverse osmosis filter to remove dangerous metals like lead, fluoride, and chromium-6, then a second high-density activated carbon filter that removes volatile organic compounds like PFAS and prescription drug residue. The result? The best water you've ever tasted. Fresh, delicious, pure, without hundreds of contaminants. It has sensors and an app. The built-in sensors tell you the quality of your tap water and how pure it is after filtering, clean, or do simple maintenance based on actual usage and not just set dates. That's how a smart system works. About how much water you're drinking, how many plastic bottles you've saved, how much money you're saving drinking from Aqua.
Insanely helpful cutting board that can exceed all your cooking needs. We have designed a cutting board that is simply better than the rest. There is a large opening to efficiently slide food into, which eliminates messy countertops. Food falls directly into one of the 4 plastic trays, eliminating prep dishes. 4 plastic trays fit snugly inside the cutting board, reducing space. Trays are stackable and come with lids, ideal for storing food. Equipped with 4 different types of slicers to assist in cutting food, veggies. Slicers fit firmly on cutting board to assure safe cutting of produces. If that wasn't enough, we added features such as juice grooves, indented handles, smooth round edges, and rubber bumpers to lock cutting board in place. Made of 100% natural bamboo and eco-friendly.
Setting up a Brita pitcher is easy. Just rinse a standard filter with cold water for 15 seconds, or use a blue long-last filter, no rinsing required. Insert the filter by lining up the filter's groove with the notch in the reservoir, and press firmly for a tight seal. For instant filter replacement reminders, press and hold the status button, 2 seconds for a standard filter or 6 seconds for a long-last filter. Remember to replace your standard filter every 2 months or long-last filter every 6 months. Thoroughly rinse out your new pitcher, then fill it with cold tap water, and enjoy great tasting water without the waste.
Loki is a Wi-Fi meat thermometer designed to help you cook the perfect meal. Loki works with ovens, grills, and smokers. It's easy to use. Simply plug a probe into your chosen meat, and Loki keeps you updated when your steak or smoke is done. Always connected and in the cloud, so you can leave the grill or your home with peace of mind. You can track progress and monitor your cooking anytime and anywhere. Loki will even predict when your meal will be finished. Make your life easier. Forget those timers or going back and forth to check on that pork shoulder you've got in the smoker. Let Loki notify you when it's the perfect temperature. You can load a ghost profile from a previously saved masterpiece and reproduce it every time.
We're taking a look at the Oster Vertical Waffle Maker. Waffle making turned on its side. Built stronger, faster, and easier to clean than ordinary makers. Pour batter down the top funnel. Open the door when finished cooking. Save space with this vertical oddity. Gravity-defying deliciousness. The Oster Vertical Waffle Maker.
Creamy, delicious mashed potatoes, perfect purees, homemade baby food, brownie, and cake batter all in minutes with the new Dash Masha 2X. With 160 watts of power and the specialized masher and batter cone, the Dash Masha 2X delivers double the power and versatility. With the simple touch of a button, the rotating cone pushes the potatoes out through the cone housing, giving you the perfect mash. What's more, the Masha 2X is specially designed to give you creamy, fluffy mashed potatoes without overprocessing. And when you're done, the Masha 2X easily rinses clean,